Hi everyone, I'm Kathy Frost. I'm a nutritionist and a former business owner by trade, and I've been with Clickbank for about a year. I first met Justin when he offered the CBU, and so I signed up for Clickbank University and there started my education and figuring out a little bit how to do business on Clickbank. Justin's a very sincere, honest, personal coach that is willing to take and listen to you and give you advice, and he shares everything he knows. He's not one that just hides the secrets. He actually shares with you what he knows and gives you the confidence to really be able to now go and do it. My product is about ready to roll, and I am so excited. This is going to not only change my life but my family's life, and I am anxious to share this with others, and I would encourage anybody that has any interest in knowing how to pursue selling products or just helping others sell their product, being an affiliate, to be able to hook up with Justin, because he's going to change your life. Thank you, Justin. Thank you for being so humble and so sincere. Your humility is astonishing, and I greatly admire you. Thank you very much.